Hello everyone, I am Siddhant, and in this video you will be learning how we can make a stunning animated video using PowerPoint that looks like this. On one click, the show starts. See that? It's really awesome, isn't it? Here you can see the moving character, flying birds, this auto moving elephant, and the text animation, all made with PowerPoint. So now let's get started. Now I am on my PC, and to create an animated video using PowerPoint, you have to make your slide blank. So go to layout and click on blank. Now your slide is blank now. Next step, we have to insert the background image that we want to use for our animated video. So for that I am going to insert pictures, this device, and I am going to desktop, and in this sample folder I have one busy image and I am going to insert. You can always download this image from the internet. In the Google you have to simply type any animated background image of mountains. It is your choice. You can download the image of any type which is compatible with PowerPoint, and here in the images sections you can download any image. Next, in this, now we are going to fit it with the slide size. So for that I am going to here picture format, and then I'm going to say here crop, and I'm going to click on this drop down icon, and now I'm going to click on aspect ratio and click on 16:9 and click outside of the slide. That will crop this picture. Now you have to simply adjust this image to the size of the slide. Next step, we are going to insert a GIF image from that folder only. So I am going to insert pictures and this device, and from that I have this GIF image that has transparent background and it moves on its own. Here you can see when I inserted this GIF image, here I get some options like to pause it, and here I can also make it give it some artistic effects like this, but for the moment I am going to keep it as it is. And you can always download such GIF image from the internet. Let me show you how. In the internet you have to just say running animated character GIF and hit enter, and from the images section you can always download these awesome moving animated characters, but make sure that these all moving GIF images you are using are created by someone, and you have to give the attribute somewhere in the slide or somewhere this below this image you can give, and you can even download some copyright free images. Like this GIF image is copyright free and I have used it. So Now we are going to move it from this left side to the right side. So for that I am going to just select this and I am going to click on this animations, and then I am going to click on add animation, and then I am going to click on motion paths, and from that I am going to scroll down and then click on this left. Here you can see that will just here move it from right to left, but we need it to move it from left to right, so I'm going to now click on right, and that is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now here you can see the ghost image of this zip file, so I'm going to move this red dot like this outside of the slide, and I'm going to zoom out a bit so that you can see what I'm doing here, like this. Yeah, and this one I'm going to set just outside the slide. Now the magic I'm going to do it, first I'm going to click on this animation pane and let me check it, how does it work. So now here you can see it is moving one time only and it is very fast. So to fix this I'm going to click on this drop down icon and I'm going to click on effect options. Then you have to make it 0 second, all this smooth end and smooth start 0 second, and then here you have to go to timing, and in this duration you can see I'm going to make it extremely slow, and this you can see here is one option that is repeat. I'm going to say here until next click, or you can also set it at until end of the slide. I'm going to click on until end of slide, and then now I'm going to click on this effects again, and here you can see there is auto reverse, but for the moment I'm not going to just check it, and I think now I'm okay with this. I'm going to click on OK, and now here you can see that when I go to the slideshow mode and when I here click, then it goes like this. But I think that is good, but somewhere it is lagging. Did you notice where? Let me show you. Now when I again go to slideshow mode, it is already here inside this slide. So what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to select it and I'm going to move it exactly here. Yeah, let me zoom out a bit, and this one, this its ghost image, I am going to select it like here, and then I'm going to make it to the size of the slide and I'm going to select it, and in this start let it be on click, and in its duration I'm going to make it something like 10 seconds. Yeah, and then I'm going to just play it now. Now when I click, here you can see it is moving. Yeah, arming also. Here you can see it is so charm. That is great. I think let it be 9 seconds. Yeah, that will be good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert more GIF images. I'm going to click on insert pictures, this device, and I'm going to click on this animated IMG and this flying birds. And this one, first of all, this flying image I'm going to these flying birds I'm going to just remove it for the moment, and this auto moving elephant EMG, that is zip file, I'm going to keep it somewhere like here. Okay, this also you can download easily from the internet. You have to simply type here moving elephant GIF image, and then you can get here thousands of awesome moving elements GIF images. You can easily download, but make sure they are copyright free. And this one, I think I do not need to make any hair animations on this. And next we have this flying birds. This I am going to rotate it a bit like this. I am going to enlarge this too. This I am going to keep it here. Let me zoom out a bit, and here what I am going to do is this one, I want these flying birds to enter when this man starts running, then only. So that what I'm going to do is here something like this. Okay, yeah, I think okay. So I'm going to select it, go to here animations, go to add animation, go to more motion paths, and now I'm going to click on left and okay. And this one I'm going to select like this. Yeah, here you can see like this. Yeah, and this one I'm going to select it exactly here. Yeah, I think, and its duration will be something like 10-12 seconds, like that. Okay, 13 seconds. And I want it to appear with previous means with this one. And now when I go to this slideshow mode, and when I click on this, wow, so awesome. But did you notice one thing, that this moving character is going this backward of this elephant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bring to front, and this one is okay. So now let me check it once. On one click, wow, so amazing. And you can even add your here like some text also. So to add text, go to insert, go to text box, click here anywhere, and here you can see here I'm going to write some random text like the beauty of the nature, and I'm going to select it all, and here I'm going to give it something good font, and I'm going to just enlarge it a bit like this one. Okay, and then I'm going to keep it somewhere like here. Yeah, and I'm going to here go to save format, and its text outline will be white. Yeah, this one. Okay, I think that will be awesome. And I want it to appear when this flying bots move out of this slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one animation, that is wipe animation, and I'm going to effect options from left. Yeah, and this one I'm going to select, go to animation pane, and this one here I'm going to effect options, and here I'm going to say here by word also you can say, but I'm going to say okay all at once from left also. And in this on click I'm going to check it with previous, and this very fast is also okay, fine, okay. And then in this one also I'm going to remove the smooth start and end, and hit on OK. And then in this now I'm going to close this pane, and in this one I'm going to increase its duration, something like say 16, and let me go to the slideshow mode, and on one click the show starts. Wow, so awesome. Yeah, it's really good. So I'm going to this one I'm going to make it, where is it, this one, all is now very good. So here we have successfully made our animated video using only PowerPoint. The beauty of the nature. Oh, and now it is going to run continuously until and unless you hit the next button or you go to the next slide. Here you can see it is really awesome, and you can make it with PowerPoint only. But one thing I need to fix now also. What is that? I'm going to right click, no, I'm going to select it, go to animations, animation pane, and in this one effect options I'm going to timing, and I'm going to click here until end of the slide, and I'm going to hit OK. Yeah, now I think now it will work perfectly. Yeah, now it is very great and it is charming. See, this is the power of PowerPoint, and here you can see they are moving continuously until I go to the next slide. Wow, it is very good. So in this way we can make our animation, and we can take our creativity to the next level through PowerPoint, but it won't be, you know, possible without these GIF images. So make sure you get these GIF images from the internet. If you face any problem, you can always comment in the comment box below of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.